So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into StumbleGuys with Apple ID. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website here. So don't go to stumbleguys.com, go to stumbleguys.com/play. Once you've gone to there, you'll see a layout similar to this one once you're logged in. Now, if you wish to use your Apple ID, I suggest you use also a Mac or some other Apple device, since it's going to be easier to do that, but I'm just going to show you through here as well. It's the same process. So once you're logged in using one of these options, you can switch to using Apple ID as a login option by going to settings. On settings, you can see save your progress with Scopely account. So you'll need to create your Scopely account, but you can link it with your Apple ID and it's going to make the process a bit faster. So you can see language, server region, and some stuff underneath as well. Go to this button right here that says connected. Once you click on this, you can see Scopely account. So this is the account that you need to have to play StumbleGuys. Then you can see choose any option to manage your Scopely account, like log in through Facebook. You can log in with email as well, and you will see the option with the little Apple icon that says Apple ID as an option on here. So you can click on that and then use your Apple ID information, or if you're using an Apple device, it will already be there, which will make your login easier, and it may just hurry up your process of getting to play StumbleGuys. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.